ng retail labor? What is it like now? And I know there are two different perspectives to that because you have those working front of house and those working in the back room. So, from your exposure to the private sector, what have you seen so far?
For all the retailers here, so when I talk to the big retail groups, their challenge is nobody wants to work front of house. Wants to work 6 days a week standing, diba? Because fresh grads at minimum, as a school, we talk about it among what the graduates want. The graduates want minimum 1 day work at home, right? Which doesn't work in retail. There's really a challenge because your fresh grads are requiring 1 day work at home at minimum, and retail cannot do that. So there's really a challenge on that part. Back of house, obviously, there's much flexibility. So that's the